Yes, welcome to the 104th day. You have read it. Thanks to the teachers of this book, you have read it. Black darkness, darkness, darkness all over the land of Egypt. You have read it. If you have not read it, I am praying. I love the readers of this very book. One day they will open your eyes, whether you read the Torah, whether you read the Holy Quran, whether you read the Bible, one day they will open your eyes to see it, where it is said that the ancient Egypt was plagued down by darkness. Darkness, darkness, darkness all over the world. Darkness, such darkness that nobody can see his neighbor's face again. Everybody had to go inside. Everything, life came to a stop. It's all on Proverbs. You see, darkness has a way of coming into our lives. Darkness means depression. So, in other words, depression. Before I go on, Coach Emin speaking. LTB Light team member speaking. Darkness, the plague of darkness is the same thing as the plague of depression. Depression all over. If you have not heard, Google it. It's a very big problem. You know, people going on different kinds of medication, you name it, Prozac, what is that? Stress free in the asylum, receiving drugs and medication. You see, but if you know, you know. The medication is going to work if there is math, if the spirit is awake. The counseling above depression is going to work if there is math, the eye behind all eyes, the hand behind all hands, the energy behind all energies, the man behind the man, the force behind the force, math, the law behind all laws. There is a law to everything. Have you discovered that very law, that very power, that very hand, that very energy, that very mathematical equation? Have you resolved it in your life that forever destroys addiction on one hand and poverty forever ever in your life? The person who sent you this very video intended that you will not be destroyed, that you will prevail in life. LTB Light is a responsible organization. Very highly disciplined organization. We will not take you to war, and we will not take you to worship your fellow human being under subjugation. We will not convert your property in any way. LTB Light, for what it is simply pushing the wheels of civilization. You have to understand what civilization is. And if you think that civilization is to own all the cars on earth, you're not civilized. Is to own all the houses on earth, you're not civilized. Is to own all the ammunitions on earth, you're not civilized. You see, civilization is as simple as equity, justice, fairness, peace to the good, happiness to the good, fairness to all, under a civil law. That is civilization. There is no end to the time when humanity will be searching for that very place where a good man can be able to find peace. That is what led the hunger that led men to go to Egypt to find the grace. Egypt protected them. That is what led millions to go to Egypt to find food, to discover, to be sustained. And Egypt sustained them, to be preserved. And today, many are coming to America because America is a place where their law is fair. If you are being persecuted due to your speech, due to your word, political persecution, religious persecution, you come to America and you can be able to have peace. Are you a part and partner of this group of men that control the world with law that is civil, with law that is secular, that is inclusive instead of exclusive, that respects our differences? Are you a partner to it? For you to become a millionaire, you have to perfectly align yourself with that very community, with that very nation, with that very people, with that very land. They are all over scattered. When you look at here, this small population here, you don't have to do much to become a millionaire. You simply, darkness has made people not to see this very world here. You see, it's light that shields them. But the energy of light that shields them is from you and me that are aware, that are awake, and now aware. For you to become a millionaire, just pray that these people here, this little segment here, you seeing it here? These people here, that the light continue to shield them. Yes, I cannot be able to invent. And so what? Pray that those that who are able to invent will continue to be sustained by the powerful energy, which is created by your mind. Do you know that very powerful energy and where it comes from? Follow the link below. Connect back to your roots and you will see it. In our daily exercises, you will see our mantra. You will see it. Our magic mantra. Share the light for them so that it will be well for them and it will come back to you a million times over. You will never live poor or insecure on it. Thank you, and we have to sign off now. We've done noble to this 104-day message, and we hope to see you again on the 150-day. Be well, Coach Amen. Peace.